hell is this in my teeth? Oh my goodness, what did I eat? I'm always having stuff in here. This is crazy. Get into the video. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming to y'all with a video. This is an update to your boy's waves. Where I've been at, what I've been doing. Well, of course, you already know what I've been doing because I said it in the last video what I've been up to. Really ain't been brushing like I supposed to, but nonetheless, I still been brushing. So before we get started and you can see what my hair is looking like, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy's channel. Got more to come. Now, of course, I did say that I wasn't going to be doing another video until I got over to the new place. But I said to myself, that's not until March 26th. Why not just come with another video that's going to be beneficial to see what, you know, everybody can see what I've been up to and what I've really been doing with my waves. I have been brushing, people. Have not been brushing with any flex. I've been on the curves like crazy. You just reach over here. Did you hear the sound I just made? Oh my goodness. Did you just hear the sound I just made? I'm a little embarrassed. That's okay. I'm back. So after that little embarrassing moment, I just want y'all to see that I've been on my curve, boys. I've been on my curves like crazy. And what got it started was there was someone at my job knew that I love brushing, knew I love waves, decided to get me this curve right here. Now I've had curves before, but let me just get that in focus. Focus. There you go. Now I've had curves before, but I decided to get more, so I bought this one. And I bought this one. Well, I actually got this one as a gift too for my girl. And of course, I've already had this one. So I've been just rocking with these curve boys. Brushing, learning my angles, learning new angles, doing what I need to do to try to get my waves on point, and just back to where I was before I was really leaving the wave game and all the drama on the wave pages and IG and stuff like that. I want to get back to that point. I want to get back to battle ready, you know what I'm saying? And that's really what's important to me. Quick tip before we get into revealing my waves: make sure you are always brushing, and make sure you're brushing for you. I'm tired of people asking me, saying, hey, how do I get my waves like yours? Or how do I get my waves like this person and that person? I've covered this in other videos, but it seems like people still don't understand that you have to brush for what you have. All this medium hair, coarse hair, straight hair stuff, don't worry about all that. You know what I'm saying? All this, how to do this and do it this way. So what you want to really do is learn what you got, go out and get what you need, and utilize it. That's really all you have to do. Stop asking these 1,000 questions to people, or watching this person and that person do this and do that. That may not even work for you in the first place. You're just wasting time. Pick up that brush and get to work. That's pretty much what you need to do. At this point, I'm just rambling, but I'm gonna go ahead and take off the do-rag. My last update was I think was November. It was in November when I did my last update. So we are a few months, maybe about 3-4 months into, you know, my hair now, what it is. I haven't really got a cut. I'm actually skipping this past weekend getting the cut, so it's going to be 2 weeks before I've had my last cut. Well, it's going to be 2 weeks before I've had my last lineup or whatever. So let's go. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. And I may get closer. I'm not sure. I think I'm close enough. How I'm looking on that though? Am I good? Am I good? Now I know I need to line up. I know I need to get my waves back a little bit in the back side right here, but everything to me is looking really good. I'm really liking how my hair is laid. But other than that, man, I want to thank y'all for coming in and checking out the update right quick. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short. Make sure you stay tuned for more content in the future. I got some big things coming up. Still got to do a giveaway. Got to talk about some new products, some new things that's going to be coming into the wave game and stuff like that. But definitely stay tuned. And again, make sure you subscribe and like this video. If you don't like it, shoot a dislike. I don't care. You give me something. It's your boy, man, HB. 3. I'm out of here.